Repository number 1, Virat/AI Hedge Fund. This repository, an AI hedge fund team. Here's a brief overview. The goal of this project is to explore the use of AI to make trading decisions. This project is for educational purposes only and is not intended for real trading or investment. Repository number 2, GCAN/MetaGPT. This repository glowing star the multi-agent framework, first AI software company towards natural language programming. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. MetaGPT. The multi-agent framework assigned different roles to GPTs to form a collaborative entity for complex tasks. News Rocket February 19, 2025. Today we are officially launching our natural language programming product, MGX, MetaGPT-X, the world's first AI agent development team. Repository number 3, Significant Gravitas/AutoGPT. This repository AutoGPT is the vision of accessible AI for everyone to use and to build on. Our mission is to provide the tools so that you can focus on what matters. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. AutoGPT. Build, deploy, and run AI agents. AutoGPT is a powerful platform that allows you to create, deploy, and manage continuous AI agents that automate complex workflows. Hosting options. Download to self-host. Join the waitlist for the cloud-hosted beta. How to set up for self-hosting. Notes: setting up and hosting the AutoGPT platform yourself is a technical process.